Hello, Mark, and everyone over there at Carpentry. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. Thanks for connecting with me on Alignable. Like I had said, I just wanted to shoot you this quick video, just giving you a couple of recommendations for your site, and hopefully you'll be able to get more and more clients. What this is about is just making you more visible online. Um, so you might be asking or wondering, why am I doing this? Well, to start out with, I speak to quite a number of business owners, and I've noticed that a lot of them are way too busy and don't have the time to learn about this kind of stuff. And the learning curve is pretty steep. Not only that, there's a lot of information out there, and tons of people who also do this. So I just wanted to kind of prove myself first, give you these value upfront, give you these free recommendations, and hopefully you can implement them yourselves with your team, with your website or SEO person. Feel free, just take these tips, implement them. Hopefully you'll start to see more and more traffic coming to you. If you like what you see, I do have more tricks up my sleeve, and it would be great to work together. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get started. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. Everything that you can see I have highlighted in blue. So it means all the text, images, the words behind the images. For example, if I try and save this one image, you'll see it's saved as a random string of letters and numbers. To optimize with Google, it's important for Google to understand what your website is about. And one of those ways is to actually save your images with keywords. Keywords are those phrases people type into Google to search for your services. So I would definitely go about changing how I've saved my pictures here. Another thing is that to optimize with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text sprinkled with keywords. So by authoritative text, I mean text that shows who you are, what you do, what locations you service, etc. This is so that Google can tell that you're relevant and put you in front of these relevant searches. And then don't forget to sprinkle keywords all across your text. Make it flow with the text so it's readable. Once again, this is just so that Google recognizes, okay, I should put these guys in front of this kind of search. And another thing I would definitely have is some back pages. This is so that I would definitely put in location pages and service pages. This is so that Google can tell, okay, once, let's say your service is kitchen remodeling, and you explain a lot more about kitchen remodeling and the areas that locations that you serve, put in a few keywords and whatnot, so that your entire site, Google can tell your whole site is all about this, makes you relevant for the home improvement, home remodeling industry. Okay, so that's content. Next thing I want to talk about are citations. So if I was looking for a business like yours, I believe you're in the Madison area. Typing, let's say I had a problem with my kitchen, or I guess kitchen remodeling, what's called Madison. This is the keyword I was talking about. These are the keywords I'm talking about. Like this phrase is typically this is a buyer intent keyword, meaning someone searching for this is most probably looking to remodel their kitchen. So in the search results, first thing you'll see are usually Google ads. Now, Google ads are a quick way of getting immediate leads. However, they are pay per click, and depending on your niche and your location, sometimes it can get to be pretty expensive. So it depends on how much you're getting from the ads and how much you're paying to be able to make that kind of decision whether to use Google ads or not. So usually with clients, I just tell them it just depends on what you're willing to budget for. After the Google ads, below them, you'll see this area here that's called the map pack. Now, with this map pack, you have 3 businesses and a map of the local area. Map pack usually appears when it's a location-based search. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? Has to do with citations. A citation is anywhere in any directory online that your name, address, and phone number appear exactly as they appear in your Google My Business page. So by directories, I mean directories like Better Business Bureau, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, Yext, Dexnose, etc. The higher quality and higher number of citations that you have, the higher you'll rise up in this area here, the map pack. Below the map pack is the, it's called the organic listing section. This is where you have all the organic listings for come up for any Google search. So statistics say about 90% of adults use Google to look for a local service. 70% do not leave the first page. So that's why it's important to be on the first page. You'll get a lot more clicks. And I'm gonna show you a few numbers for the people who are actually looking for what you do around you. Okay, so how do you rank higher and higher in here? Aside from content and citations, backlinks. The third thing I want to talk about, backlinks are important for this area. A backlink is, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one website links to your website, so directing traffic to you. So for example, if there's a home remodeling forum in Madison, Wisconsin, and they have a blog up and they have a little good thing they've written about your business and have a link to your website, that's Google sees that as a relevant backlink. It's within the same niche, and if I'm guessing if a forum was being held, then whatever site that was being used to communicate is legitimate, and Google sees it with a higher relevancy. So getting a backlink from there is good. Not all backlinks are the same, because if it's a McDonald's in Philadelphia that has a blog up and has a link to your site, Google sees that, and that's a completely different niche, and Google will drop your relevancy because it sees that as a bit spammy when you have random backlinks just linking to you. I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a pretty popular tool to analyze websites and keywords, etc. And let's take this first guy here. This is, I guess, one of your toughest competitors, and I'm going to drop in my tool. Let's come in here, and actually I need to take the whole site, not just one page. Okay, so looking at their website, you can see they have about 1,000 domains that are linking to them, giving them 3,250 backlinks on average. So it's incumbent onto your website or your SEO person to come in, look at the backlinks that your competitors have. Make sure you have the same backlinks, the higher relevancy ones. Not only that, you want to get more. You want to get maybe 50 or 100 more backlinks. Now, remember I said not all backlinks are the same, so I'm going to come in, I'm looking at your competitors' backlinks, and I'm seeing some weird, like now, financial reality news. If I go to that site, I can tell that it's farmhouse decor, so they're getting some kind of backlink from here. And it has to do, I guess, with home improvement, so I guess that would be a relevant backlink, etc. So this is what I mean. This is the work, keyword research. So they're getting a backlink from an expired website here. So let's take your site, and I'm going to look at it in my tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool, like I had said, and I can tell that your site is kind of young because I can see you don't have that many backlinks, and Google is not recognizing you for certain keywords. One last example, back to the search, and I'm going to take the top competitor in the map pack, who's again one of your competitors. Come into my tool, and I'm going to look at first let's look at their website. So they don't have that much content. The front page. And then what does my tool say about them? They have about 100 domains, giving them 325 backlinks and organic keywords. These are the keywords that Google is recognizing them for. So they are being recognized for quite a number of keywords, and the traffic that they get from this every month is not that much. Remodeling Madison, Wisconsin. You can see that they get 7 people coming to their site because they're in the 6th position. So they're on the front page. They're getting traffic from that. So just as an aside, I was doing some research, and I just wanted to show you the kind of opportunities that are available for you guys. For example, if someone's searching for carpenter, Madison, Wisconsin, you have about 100 people searching for that per month. Here we go. Kitchen remodeling, Madison, Wisconsin. You have about 350 people searching for that every month. Bathroom remodeling, Madison, Wisconsin. You have 350 people searching for that a month. Contractors in Madison, Wisconsin. 200 people searching for that per month. Home remodeling, Madison, Wisconsin. 200 people searching for that per month. What I'm trying to show you is that with just these 5 keywords, you have over 1,000 people looking for your services. So if you're not on the front page, you're missing out from a lot of traffic that you could be getting organically without having to pay Angie's Leads or pay Home Advisor, etc. So Mark, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed my this short video. Feel free to take these tips and implement them. We can work together if you'd like. My name is Charles again, and it's a pleasure meeting you on Alignable. I hope these can help you grow.